Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to make first setup on this device. So firstly, you need to select your language, then click continue and choose your region here. For example, I am in Germany, so I go back. So I need to find Germany here. Great. Then you need to confirm your legal information, smartphone user agreement, user privacy agreement, and that's it. You don't have to provide all optional agreement too. So just select the two first agreements. Great. Now you need to connect to Wi-Fi network, or of course, if you have mobile network and you have inserted SIM card on your device, you can bypass this step, but I suggest you use it with Wi-Fi. So connect to Wi-Fi, click connect, then click next. Now click next if you want to copy your apps and files from your old Android device, or click don't copy if you don't want to copy your files from old device. Of course, you can do it at any moment after setup device. Okay, now you need to connect your Google account to your Android device. So enter your Google account email, then insert your password, click next, I agree, scroll down, choose accept, scroll down, choose your favorite search engine. In my case it's Google. Click next and click leave and get reminder. Now you can set up your favorite unlock method, so you can set up fingerprint, face unlock, password, pin code, or pattern lock. So I will set just pattern lock. In my case it will L later. Show all notification content or show sensitive content only when unlocked. I want to use this item. And go auto update overnight. Disable this feature. Personalized search. I want to disable this feature and click done. Wait a while and great. Now, as you can see, we can use our device now. But now we will see setup message here. Okay, as you can see, we have setup message here, so just click on this message and click start, skip, this is the last moment when you can switch your data from old device to your new Realme C33 device. So if you want to back up your data and switch it to new device, so it's time for it. But I don't want to switch my data. I just want to install it. I just want to set up this device as new device. Of course, you can because you can use restoring data feature from a cloud backup, but I don't want to restore, so I will click don't restore, and great. Here we can set up our Google Assistant. So click I agree, scroll down, choose I agree, continue. Here you can set up your Google Pay, but I can't do it right now, so I will click skip, no thanks, and great. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.